As central banks in the US and other countries hiked interest rates for the first time in years to combat growing inflation, investors found few, if any, places to park their money in 2022, fueling fears of a global recession. Volatility returned as a result of uncertainty over how far the Federal Reserve and other central banks would go to combat inflation. Wall Street experienced significant stock market fluctuations as the Fed increased its benchmark interest rate 7 times and hinted at additional increases in 2023. The invasion of Ukraine by Russia and China's tight COVID-19 regulations both fueled inflation and disrupted markets in Asia, Europe, and the United States. The cost of borrowing money increased. Mortgage and other loan rates are influenced by the 10-year Treasury yield, which shot up and reached 4.22% in October from 1.51% at the beginning of the year. However, prices for older bonds already in investors' portfolios fell precipitously as a result of rising rates both domestically and internationally. Bond market collapse hurt fixed income investors the worst. Investors in cryptocurrencies were also not exempt. More than half of Bitcoin's value was lost, and several thriving businesses were forced to file for bankruptcy. Alex Vega. Here is a look back at the significant market events for 2022. Wage growth and the Fed. Financial markets were overshadowed by central banks' responses to inflation in 2022, and it's possible that it may happen again in 2023. Federal Reserve officials had already acknowledged that inflation was a long-lasting phenomena as the year got underway. The invasion of Ukraine by Russia only made matters worse by driving up the cost of food and electricity. Nevertheless, the Fed didn't respond until March, when the American government reported that inflation had gotten close to 8%. For some analysts and economists, this was too little, too late. The Fed increased rates 7 times, for a total increase of 4.25 percentage points, as the year progressed. Christopher Rugaber. Visit https://apnews.com/hub/economy for comprehensive coverage of the world's economy.